Good morning. Myself, Pankaj Kumar Singh. Today, I am going to deliver lecture second of ninth class economics. My dear students, previous video I have explained the story of village of Palampur. I have read introduction of village of Palampur's social structure and which type of facility provided in village Palampur. Today's lecture will be continue. Now we will know about factor of productions. Factor of productions. Factor of productions. There are four of the productions. Factor of productions. There are four factor of production generally used. First of all, labor. Second is a land. Third is a physical capitals or capitals. That means capital is divided into two parts. First, fixed capital. Second is a working capital. Fixed capital is a those type of capitals which does not direct relations to the outputs, but working capital is directly proportional to the work outputs. When working capital is increased, then our output is also increased. So working capital as like raw materials, labor, etc. Fixed capitals, land, machineries, buildings, etc. Other factor of productions, knowledge, organizations, human capitals is required to produce any goods and services. Next, next, factor of productions. There are four factor of production requirement to productions for land, labor, physical capital. Physical capital is further classified into two types. First is a fixed capital. Second is a working capital. Fixed capitals is those type of capitals which is not direct relationship between outputs and capital requirements. So it is a fixed capitals, and working capital is a direct relationship between raw materials, money in your hands, labor, also working capitals. Now, factor of productions, land, labor, and other natural resources such as the water, forest, and minerals are important factor of productions. Natural resources, natural resources, those type of resources which is made up by the natures, not made up by the God. Other labor are labor are the peoples who do work. Some production activity is required to highly qualified labor, while some require labor who can do more of the physical work. There are two types of labor: a skill developed labor and unskilled labor. Both are required to produce any goods and services. Now, Physical capital, it is the various inputs required to every stage during the productions. When we have produced any types of goods and services, I have needs inputs. These inputs is called physical capitals. Physical capitals, capital classified into two types: working capitals for raw materials such as clay, yarn, etc., and another fixed capitals. Fixed capitals is machineries, buildings, etc. Human capitals also required to produce anything and goods and services, such as the put together three factors such as land, labor, and capital. So human capital is a most important, which are more active than other factors, because human capital is required to put together two three factors such as land, labor, and capital. Land, labor, capitals can't be produce anything without the human capitals. Now, organization of the Palampur. Organization of Palampur here. First of all, I will we know about factor of productions. It is a function of outputs. That means factor of productions of factor used to produce desirable goods and things called factor of productions, such as land, labor, capitals. Land, labor, capitals also used in the form of factor of productions. Farming in Palampur. Farming in Palampur, in these chapters, we will know about how many persons are engaged in farm sector and how many persons are engaged in non-farming sectors. As for example, I have look here a pie chart. There are more than 75% people are engaged in farm activities, as like those type they have work in agriculture sectors, and rest of the peoples engaged in the non-farming activities, those types of activities which is not related with the agriculture. Then non-farming activities is such as shopping, transportations, communications, educations, etc. Now, farmer of the Palampur grow more crops due to following methods used by them. I have learnt about in the previous class. Farmer of Palampur is a well developed because electric connections in all villages and all the farmers do some productive work. Now, here farmer of the Palampur grow more crops due to following methods used by them. Which method used by them? These are following. First of all, well irrigation systems in a Palampurs. All the tube wells are activated or running through the electricity. So, electric hand pump are installed in the Palampur village. So, well irrigation systems adopt multiple croppings, and they have adopt modern farming method due to green revolutions was in 1960. They have used HYV, high yield variety seeds. Their productivity is a high. It has need plenty of the waters. There are two benefits when we have using modern farming methods. First, the productivity is increased, and others we have reduced water in the form of irrigations. They have used to chemical fertilizers and pesticide also, and they have bought for machine like tractor, threshers, and in fact productivity of the traditional seeds is 1300 per hectares. That means there are we have used in a traditional method, we have used to traditional seeds, so there are 30 kg of the wheats produced in 101 hectares. Now we have used to HYV seeds, their productivity is 3200 kg per hectares. My dear students, here productivity increase in the two times, more than two times, not a two times, more than two times. Why? Because they have used modern farming and they have used two HYV seeds. So productivity of HYV seeds is greater than traditional seeds. Now we will discuss about what is multiple croppings. I have mentioned here they have adopt modern farming method, adopt multiple croppings. So what is a multiple croppings? I have explained here. We will let us now grow more than one crops in a piece of land during a year is known as multiple croppings. It is a very simple definitions. What is the multiple cropping? Multiple cropping is those type of croppings where in which we have used more than two crops in a single land in particular years. It's called multiple croppings. So they have used potatoes, sugarcane, wheat, rice produced in the same fields. Here they in a modern farmings they have used many types of the method, which are HIV seeds, the chemical fertilizers, pesticides, dams is also used here, and irrigation systems, canals, pumping sets, farm machineries, etc. Farming in Palampurs. Farming in Palampurs, I have explained multiple farmings. Now, productivity in rainy seasons, rice, jowar and bajra. They have grow rice, jowar, bajra in a rainy seasons, and productions in a winter seasons, wheat, potatoes. So they have grow wheat and potatoes in a winter seasons. They have sold surplus wheat or rice in a Shahpur. They have sold if they have surplus wheat. They have also produced sugar canes, its raw material for jaggery, in a local language, gur. Farmers of the Palampurs are able to grow three different crops in a year. Not a two crops grow in a year. They have able to grow three different crops in a year. So due to the well irrigation systems, because electric run to well could be installed much large area of the land more effectively. They have irrigation system in a Palampurs is a very well. All the electric pumps are due to the well irrigation systems, because electric runs to be well could irrigated much large areas of the land more effectively. Will the land sustain? We have used to chemical fertilizers. We have adopt modern farming methods. So, what is the drawback of the modern farming activities? Or then we have used the green revolutions. After the green revolutions, then which type of problems faced by the our Indian farmers as well as our resources? So modern farmer modern farming, you have adopting modern farmings have the overused the natural resources base. We have used overused loss of the soil fertility due to increased use the chemical fertilizers, lack of groundwater due to the adopting modern farming, and groundwaters are built up over years. So it is not a few years. So we have conserved it. Here mention here. Then how to our soil lost their fertilities. Look here. And water, we have used more and more waters. So lack of waters, we have faced problems of the water crisis. Land are associated with the loss of soil fertilities due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Also groundwater levels for the tubewells, well irrigations has reduced. Land distributions among the farmers in a village Palampur. Now we will discuss about land distributions among the farmers in a village of Palampur. There are 240 families. They have used less than 2 hectares land. It is not adequate incomes to farmers, and 150 family landless in a village of Palampur. 60 families are the mediums and large farmers. They have more than 10 hectare lands. I have mentioned here. These are the big piece of lands, and these are the very small piece of lands. Land distribution in a Palampur. Distribution, cultivations, cultivated area and farmers. Look here. Look here, my dear students. Distribution of the cultivation area and farmers. Here, cultivated areas in the given pie charts. Given pie chart, cultivated area, and there are only 44.6% cultivated area by the marginal and small farmers. Marginal and small farmer, how many area they have cultivated? These are given only 44.6%. It is mentioned here pink color, and red colors indicate that 55% of the cultivated area cultivated by the medium and large farmers. Now, how many number of family engage in the cultivated areas? Here, 85% families are engaged in only 44.6 cultivated areas, and they have more than 85% of the farmers depend on only 44% cultivated area, while 50% of the farmers depend on 55% cultivated area. It is not a good figures. It shows that not all land distributions are equally distributed among the Palampurs. More and more lands are occupied by only 50% of the farmers, and there are larger family are cultivated in only 44%. So, land distributions in a village Palampurs are not equals. Okay, I will explain, I will discuss what another factors as like capitals and non-farming activities in a village Palampurs in a next class. Thank you.